everybody they won't come back to home will make sense. When after you don't work hard, do all the things where you need to do, they find money. Person they always make sure say where he go put in head, they make sense and they make sense. This one will this way we day for fully detached duplex. We day for Ikate Lekki for Lagos, Nigeria. You see this one where we bring swear now MAKISPAX where and I bring this one come. My name na Amaka Osasme. When I see as this compound space big, it go carry cars, 3 cars conveniently, and it no go shake. Now see as here, we don't decorate this place for you. If you even decide to turn out to your swimming pool, you don't take them off, make and put those aesthetic where you want for this side. If you don't want to make swimming pool there here, and for this side you get enough space for the side of the house to take plant trees or touch light and the way you want. Make we waka go inside, make we see as this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex as it makes sense. Wanna follow me? As we enter inside here, and the first thing you will see now this door. Aside from the fact that they use this door just be like artwork, as in everything just makes sense. This elephant head, the handle, everything you see, say the artistic thing just makes sense. Aside from this one, this door one at the susu na bulletproof door. So before person go fit enter here, he go know wetin he go see. Say before he go fit even break this door down. Now see say the entrance of una house they secured. For this side, and the mini ante room we get for this side, and to my right hand side we get the visitors toilet and vanity with the inside. You see as the house spotlighted. Make we waka enter the living space what we call parlor. So we don't date the living space, our parlor. I dey start from this side because this side, you fit use this side as your dining set. So now see say we get complete vanity for here where you fit take touch light, wash your hand when you don't chop belly full. So for this side, you fit put your 6-seater chair for here. Then if you put 2 or 3 for here, just tweak them to the way you want and everything will be set. When I say this living space, they spacious and big to carry everything we want, touch light put for here. When I see the lighting features we make sense for here and our chandelier we drop down we make sense. I like the touch, the feel, everything about them they different and it look modern to the modern feel of this home. And for here, when I say where una go put on a television set, they don't make her with this green like and carving wood stock where we don't do for here, where you feel put that size inch of television where you want and everything for here go make sense. Then you feel just touch like some aesthetic seats by the side. And as I say, our windows we get a lot of floor to ceiling windows to bring in a lot of air. The thing what I like about this living space we say it dey very airy, and the fact say the lighting features for this living space they bright. So everything you fit see everything for inside. The lighting features, different lighting features. So make we waka enter our kitchen. But before we waka enter our kitchen, I want to show you this under the staircase. You know, say you fit use them. Get some modern day things where they use the under of the staircase to do that. No one no leave and plain. This side, you get the way you fit touch lighter and this place go make sense as in the you fit make them to your bookshelf or mini study room, study place. You just make and tweak them the way you want. So make we waka enter the kitchen. We will see as our kitchen be. Wanna follow me? They talk say it could make person they pay attention to details. Line with this property. Everything they on point. When you mean on point, you talk about the floor to ceiling tiles, the color blending, or we call them color blocking. Everything makes sense. The thing what I like about this kitchen, you know, say you get person they get favorite for kitchen as a woman. You see this heat extractor, it did different from the ones other houses were done. It looks modern. You see and say everything a touch button. Never they connected. Once they connected, you see say light go this side. It go to take out all the heat for this kitchen. We get our 5 burner, gas burner we dey here, and our marble countertop we run from here down all through to where we get our double sink. You see, and you fit use here, wash here, and our marble sink, no be just those plain one. You see, say the guy use modern day finishing. Then we get wardrobes for down, and we also get wardrobe for up to make sure say no scatter for inside kitchen, make everything make sense. And our drop down lighting feature, we bring the make sure say this place and anything we did touch light for here, you go to see and well. And for this place, if you use now this our island, you can use that touch light, everything we want cut, or you can use that here, just arrange that cooking, everything we want. We'll get our oven and we'll get our microwave for here, and we don't make space for you where if you put your double door fridge. You see, say this kitchen don't set, then we get CCTV camera and the air conditioning ports for inside kitchen one day because no sweaty. Then we also get our pantry for here, our mini pantry where if you use take store all those your food stuff. Now as we do for this floor, we get the visitors room and a toilet and bath for inside here. But when as we do we go work out. Now meet me for inside the master's bedroom. Lighting now one thing where they make house, the boss brain when you enter house, when the lights they fine, they touch like did you say you know say you arrive better house. So now they see this lighting, so now see as they bring beauty come this side from your step. We even get lighting feature from the step. When you come reach here, this one come the touch light, they make everything they make sense, the boss brain. When we walk enter our family lounge, you see our family lounge here. We actually say the same thing where we do for the living space in terms of where if you put your television and you will still touch lights, this wooden feel, this green light and dark green wooden feel. You see as it be. So just put your two-seater seat for here, then maybe touch light one for here. Then now here you and your family go get that family bonding. You know, they talk about the old times, the good times, the sweet times, bad times, no the good times. So maybe we enter the master's bedroom. Maybe we see as na master's bedroom makes sense. Now see the lightings, Abby. I'm waiting to catch my eye for this house. The entire. As we walk out the enter our master's bedroom, now see as it's spacious. You feel put big size of bed and it go contain this place and space go still yakba because 6x6 bed. If you start from here, go end for here. You still get space for here, you still get space for here. Everything for this place makes sense. When we close this door, make we see as the house be completely, you understand? I like the fact that we can't get lighting features fine. You know, the aesthetics, I told her, say the lighting for this house, now they bust my brain because now lighting be cocoa for house. Now see as it go round. See as it go round. Then we can't get this lighting features. I will get our large windows to they bring in fresh air because nothing like fresh air. Forget AC. We don't say AC they but fresh air, now be cocoa. We get our air conditioning ports we don't get in place to make sure say this place will stay cool. The same features we will get for the wall for your television set, what we get for the living space, for the family lounge, we still replicate them for here for the masters to make sure say no dull moments. Whether you did living space, you did family lounge, you did inside your room, you go still get that same moment with your spouse from inside this room. Make we worker enter our walk-in closet. I know some people go say, hey, this place is not too big, but at least now walk-in closet, we see a lot of wardrobe spaces for you to put in those clothing and everything. Then if you touch light your shoes for hair and bags, anyhow you want to arrange and at least the space yakba, we're supposed to get some for up where if you take put everything you want. Our eye know they see mirror, people no look inside. We don't dey the toilet and bathroom for the master's bedroom. Wanna see as everything makes sense. Our floor to ceiling tiles don't touchlight for here. You feel hang your towel for this side, and your toilet dey here where you feel sit down pool. And this side, if you touchlight your toilet roll, and we get our vanity. You wanna see the blend of white and black. I just like everything for here just fine, makes sense. Then we get our tap for here. If you put, you see, say water they call. If you put some stops for here, then this over bath shape where if you stay soak yourself after all the whole hustle and bustle of Lagos State, then if you arrange your toiletries for here, then if you decide to use the shower, just the touchlight your body as you dey inside with all those oil and all those petals where you don't pour inside. It go make sense, Abby. It go make sense. Then for this side, we get our enclosed shower for here. If you just come, soak yourself, you know, maybe you just wash the body, come up from here. Before you enter inside the bath, just relax, they play that cool breeze, you know. If you want to collect Alexa to this house, then you just say, Alexa, can you on the music? You go just blast that music where you want. Property, you know, I talk and say it day for Ikate, Lekki. Ikate, Lekki, it day for Lagos, Obodo, Lagos, Nigeria. You see this property where una this is way. If una say, okay, this money, I will not fit get money for fully detached. We also get semi-detached. We still get 2 semi-detached for here, and we also get services opposite the fully detached and the semi-detached for here. We get services. So you see, say everyone where your money feel rich, we get them for here. So you no get issue. When I see how this finishing be for this fully detached, now the same thing will replicate for the semi-detached and the terrace. So you know, if they think and say, maybe because the money no big like this fully detached, we go change. No, the same quality now we use. This one will come na way so na MAKISPAX where I'll bring and come. And if now just they join us, una they do well. Make una kindly help us subscribe, make una like, and for una we don't stand out with us. We see they say una do and una well done. Make una keep to the share to people, share and make this video reach people where they find property. This fully detached now, they sell for 175 million naira. And this property fit be your own, if it dey in your name. You know, now properties like this will make sense. For Ikate, no they stay. Una know the value of property lands for Lagos now. Una know say this one a very sweet deal where you no go won't miss out. See those numbers when they talk live on our screen, make una call them because this one no go take market. But if you miss out on this one, semi-detached day, service day.